Code on Wages 2019. The question received: is there a minimum basic plus DA amount such as 12,912 under the Code on Wages 2019? The answer is central law no. There is no all India statutory figure like rupees 12,912 prescribed under the Code on Wages 2019. So we see the correct provision under the Code on Wages 2019, the relevant provision if you see section 7. Employer shall not pay less than minimum wages. Section 6. Minimum wages to be fixed by appropriate government. And section 9. Central government may fix a floor wage. So what the code actually provides? The central government does not fix minimum wages. It may fix only a floor wage, a base benchmark. States must fix minimum wages, which cannot be below the floor wage. So it can be higher than floor wage. So the code nowhere mention 12,912 or any fixed amount. So then where does this 12,912 come from? So the explanation 12,912 is not from the Code on Wages, not a central minimum wage. It's likely derived from certain states minimum wages notification calculated as monthly equivalent of daily minimum wages. So usually 26 working days into daily wage. Position in Telangana state. So because the question is from Telangana, Telangana follows state notified minimum wages. In Telangana, minimum wages are notified by the state government. They vary based on scheduled employment, skill category, unskilled, semi-skilled, skilled or highly skilled, and even zone, area classification, and VDA, variable dearness allowances. So there is no single uniform minimum wage in Telangana. So example, illustrative we can say in Telangana, one industry may have rupees 497 per day, so 12,922 per month. So another industry you may have 600 per day. This is an illustrative example. So then it comes to 15,600 per month. So like this it varies. So these figures change every 6 months due to VDA revision. So is 12,912 mandatory in Telangana? Answer is no. 12,912 is not a statutory minimum for all employees. It may be applicable only if the employee falls under a specific scheduled employment. So that specific minimum wage notification prescribes it. So the employer must check the latest Telangana minimum wage notification, not rely on generic figure. So the correct statement is that there is no All India statutory minimum basic plus DA such as 12,912 under the Code on Wages 2019. So minimum wages are fixed by state government based on skill or based on employment and geography. So in Telangana also minimum wages vary by scheduled employment and are notified periodically. Hope you are clear. We have two channels, RR Corporates, other channel RR Legal Talks. Please do subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you will not miss latest videos. Bye.